What's up, guys? I just wake up. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do today, so if we're just gonna like blaze it around or something like that. Yeah, I have got some huge news. I am looking after your sister's dog. I know that one thing that we'll probably go to the shops today or something like that. I don't know, I don't know. Depends what happens today. Not sure what really got planned today, but yeah. Everyone say hi to George. Hi. Say hi. George, you say hi? No? George? George, you want to say hi? No? Alright. Anyway, guys. Let's go wake Jake up, shall we? Yes, we should. Wake up! Wake up, Jeff! Wake up! Wake up, Jeff! Wake up, Jeff! George, you gonna wake him up? George! You wake him up? Come on, George! Come on! Where's your pizza? Where's your pizza toy? Oh, that's right, we throw it out because you broke it. You broke it! You broke the pizza toy, didn't you? You did! What? He's just the cutest little thing ever. Yeah, I know you were. What's up, guys? I didn't even film much today because I didn't do much. All I did was stay home and watch TV, and I went to my sister's, but I didn't bring anything with me. Like, I didn't bring my phone. My brother didn't bring his phone. I couldn't record. So it's gonna be a really, really short vlog. I'm really sorry about that. I really hope you guys enjoy, watching my vlogs. Just don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, by the way, guys, I really, really hope that tomorrow night, hopefully, I really hope. I just really hope that the part 2 of the Ruby Mansion will be up. It's really hard, especially when I have to use family computer and I don't have my own. So yeah, so that's why, guys. I just hope you enjoy my vlogs. I really hope you do. I know this is gonna be a really short one. But yeah, guys, as I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.